In this lesson, I would like to talk a little bit about Elementor, what it's meant for and how it works, so you would be familiar with it when we will be using it in other lessons. So right here in WordPress dashboard, as you can see, this is the Elementor, but this is not where we will be using it. This section is meant for doing some settings to this plugin, and since we will not be doing any changes whatsoever, you don't really need to worry about this section. And since this plugin is a page builder, obviously you would have to access it somewhere from here. And to access this plugin, let's click add new page. Of course, I'm doing this just for demonstration, and let's go to this section. Let's click on this button. It says edit with Elementor, so let's click on it, and as you can see, it takes us to this window. And right here we can create pages using elements. So as you can see right here, we have basic elements. So we have some text like intersection, we have headings, we have text editor, images, we have videos, buttons, and these all other elements right here can be found in this section. So these are the basic elements, the most commonly used. And right here in Pro version, we have some other elements, but these are meant for Pro version. So that means you cannot access these elements with a free version, and you would have to get a Pro version of this plugin. So basically, like I mentioned you before, Astra has a paid version as well, and Elementor, this plugin, has a paid version as well. So let's scroll down, and right here we will find some general elements which we can use with the free version as well. So these are all elements which can be used to create a nice looking page. So for example, we can add like heading element to our page, and to do this we would have to drag this element right here, and this is just add your heading. And let's say we could go back to elements, we could drag an image. We would have to click right here, choose an image, and since I have already uploaded some images, so for example we can choose this image. So as you can see, this is how it works, but this lesson is not to be followed. I just wanted to show you how it works and how you can access it. So this is a page builder plugin. We will be using it to create a nice looking pages such as our home page, let's say about page, contact us page, or any other page which you want to add to your website and you want to display it for your visitors. And if you want to leave, all you would have to do is just click right here and exit to dashboard. Let's click leave without saving. So yeah, we are back to our dashboard. So as I mentioned you before, Elementor is meant for building pages. So in later lessons, we will be creating new pages using elements, and I will show you how we can add templates and how we can edit these templates using Elementor.